kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do time and work and time and distance. Our learning objectives are time and work, time and distance, and some rules for trains. First is time and work. If man can complete a piece of work in 15 days, then we can say man's one day work, that is 1 upon 15. Rule number 1. If a person complete a piece of work in X days, then one day work is 1 upon X. Rule number 2. If a work done by A in one day, that is 1 by X, then the time taken by A to finish that work, that is X days. Some problems based on time and work are based on direct and inverse variation. More men will do more work. This is an example of direct variation. More men will take less time to complete the work. This is the example of inverse variation. Sometimes the problem may be mixed from both the direct and inverse variation. We'll take an example. Ram can finish a piece of work in 12 days and Hari can do it in 20 days. How much time will they take to finish the work if Ram and Hari work together? So, Ram finish a work in 12 days and Hari take 20 days. So, the work done by Ram in one day, that is 1 by 12, and the work done by Hari in one day, that is 1 by 20. So, the work done by both them in one day, that is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. Solve करेंगे, that is 8 by 60. ये one day का work आया है. Hence, the Ram and Hari together finish the work in 60 upon 8 days. That is equals to 7 1 by 2 days. Clear? Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is time and distance. Speed. Distance covered in a unit time by a moving object is called as speed. Formula: speed equals to distance upon time. So, how much distance an object cover in a given time, that is called as speed. Unit time में जितना भी distance cover करेगा, that is speed. Distance equals to speed into time and time equals to distance upon speed. So, these are some formula to find the speed, distance and time. Distance, time and speed, all three must be expressed in the same system of unit. For example, if you express speed in km/h in the given formula, then you must express the time in hours and distance in kilometer. Rules: to convert km/h to meter per second, will multiply the given speed by 5 by 18, and to convert meter per second into km/h, we will multiply by 18 upon 5. Clear? Next is some rules for trains. When a train crosses a pole, tree or man, it covers the distance equal to its length. But when a train crosses a platform, bridge or a tunnel, it covers the distance equal to the sum of the length of platform, bridge or tunnel and its own length. We'll take an example. Convert 54 km/h into meter per second. As we know, to convert km/h to meter per second, we will multiply 5 by 18. So, 54 into 5 upon 18, that is 15 meter per second. Clear? Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is some important observations. The relationship between time, distance, speed is speed equals to distance upon time. If A can finish a piece of work in X days, so work done by A in one day, that is 1 upon X. If A's one day work is 1 upon X, then the time taken by A to finish that work, that is X day. When a train crosses a pole, man or tree, it covers the distance equal to its length. When the train crosses platform, bridge or a tunnel, the covered distance equal to the sum of its length of platform, tunnel and its own length. Next is exercise 10.1. A car is running at the average speed of 48 km/h. It completes its journey in 8 hours 48 minutes. Find the distance covered by it. So, distance equals to speed into time. Speed 48 kilometer multiply by time, 8 hours 48 minutes. So we'll convert into minutes. That is equals to 44 upon 5. So that is equals to 422.4 kilometer. That is the distance covered by it. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days. B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job in. So A, B, C together, they have 1 day work. That is 1 by 4 days. A, B and C का together. A's 1 day work, that is equals to 1 by 16. B's 1 day work, that is 1 by 12. So C का work हो जाएगा, that is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. Clear? So solve करेंगे इसको LCM, that is 48. So this is 12 minus 3 plus 4. So that is equals to 5 upon 48. So total work जो जाएगा, that is 48 upon 5. That is equals to 9, 3 by 5 days. So C is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.